This one is mine.
Good morning, guys. Tell everybody good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, guys. We are having cinnamon rolls for breakfast this morning. I actually got up and made breakfast. Anyway, I'm editing a video. I'm recording myself in my room. I've got to, I'm watching Roseanne. I've got to clean my laundry room. What I do is I say I'm going to clean it, then I clean it, and then I craft, and it's dirty again. So like, yeah. I need to clean it, need to clean like my entire house, and try and paint Jake's room today. So hopefully I can get some of that stuff done. We don't have anything going on tonight, so I will record me cleaning today, I promise. The kids have to clean their room. Yeah, and I'm gonna color my hair and wash it because it's gross. But anyway, I'm one of those people that washes their hair like maybe once a week. Okay, yeah, once a week for sure. Possibly 2 times a week. Just depends on how nasty my hair gets. So anyway, yeah, I will do some cleaning today and I will record myself doing it. But first, I'm gonna eat my cinnamon rolls and watch some Roseanne. We'll see you in a little bit.
Did we eat them?
Yeah, 6 days left.
What?
Holy cow.
And we barely have any Christmas presents. What?
Nothing. So the kids are playing poker. We're playing poker. But they're going to pick it up because I said so. And you're not going to talk back. And I'm going to start cleaning the house. The kids got chocolate for their advent calendar today. So, yeah. I'm going to get the house picked up. That's why I need your guys' stuff out of the way. And you need to get your room clean so I can start painting. Anyway, yes.
It's yummy.
Cookies and cream? Okay.
You turn toward me and look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. This time, run underneath the rows of trees. I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're silent for me, the wind is calling. You must return to the wild. You're silent for me, the wind is calling. You must return to the wild. Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young again. Standing underneath the rows of trees, I can see where the ocean meets the sky. Under our clothes, a fire grows. We are ready for this life of running wild. We're running wild. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready shining forward, the wind is cold, you must return to the wild. Shining forward, the wind is cold, you must return to the wild.
So got that done. The living room wasn't bad once the kids got all their crap out of here, so all I really had to do was vacuum and fold up some blankets. But yeah, it's kind of hot in here now because I exercised. Mom exercising. I gotta put dishes away. I need to get my laundry room clean. I've got laundry going. You can hear it in the background. Yeah, I've got to pick up a sock. Aubrey has a stuffed animal in here. I want to mop the hallway, but I've got a basket of hangers and a couple towels in there, so yeah. I actually really like not having rugs on the floor. I think it makes it feel more open, but then again, the rugs catch some of the dirt, like the one by the front door. So, I don't know. But just cleaning house, you know, mom duties. Yeah. I just want you guys to see him right now. All sprawled out. Hey guys. Not a boy. He is out like a light. Hey guys, so I've painted this wall. Got that one to do. All I've got is this section. So I'm gonna have to try and move Jake's bed and all the stuff. I'm gonna go make lunch. There's still paint in here, so I hope it stays. Kind of thinking about just putting it back in the container for now. But that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna make lunch. I'm not sure. It's 12:40, so yeah, I'm gonna make lunch, and Aubrey's been begging me to eat, so you know, I gotta feed them. So, all right, well, just checking in with you guys. I painted part of the ceiling because I wanted to see how it would look. But yeah, I'm super excited. We will see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so I have been busy painting. So busy painting. This is the status of my hands. I have Jake's walls done. All I have to do, hang on. All I have to do is do another coat of paint on his trim. So I'm gonna cook supper, and while it's simmering, because I'm making chili, while that's simmering, I'm going to do the final coat, hopefully final coat. Anyway, I don't remember the last time I checked in. I'm pretty sure I was in Jake's room. So I'm making chili for supper. I feel like I have gotten a lot done today. I need to just start getting up early. Oh, but I am enjoying a good old glass of wine. Yeah. I deserve it. The only thing I didn't do that I was wanting to do was clean my dining room or my laundry room. So yeah, I got video edited, finished, uploaded, even put my thumbnail on it, which I hardly ever do. Anyway, so Jake's room is just about done. I'll show. I moved his bed so it's not very bright in here, but yeah, I don't have think I'm gonna put his bed up against this wall right here. This one that you see, you'll see it whenever. But yeah, it's all painted. I just have to paint the ceiling, but for the rest of it. But I did. So like, not a lot of the ceiling needs to be painted. Yeah. Getting in and getting it done. I wanted his walls painted before Christmas. Green. Before Christmas. I think there's a couple places I need to touch up. But I need to go over his window one more time. I need to go over his whole trim. Like 1 or 2 more times for sure. But for now we're getting it going. I'm making chili. I think I said that. I'm trying to think if I'm leaving anything else out. Oh, tomatoes. Okay, petite diced tomatoes. I don't know if I've got those. Maybe. If not, we might just put, you know, what is that stuff? Queso? No, wait. What's that Velveeta dip that you make? But the house is coming along pretty good, so I'm pretty excited. Yeah. After Jake's room is done, I'm gonna do Aubrey's room. I feel like this thing is just like building minute by minute, but anyway. Does anybody else realize that, you know, Christmas is, shit, what's today? Today is Tuesday? Christmas is, you know, a week from yesterday. So tomorrow will be 5 days. Oh my gosh. And Seth will be here Saturday. Holy cow.
I'm working on my website and I found kangaroo finally.
So we're just hanging out in Jake's room and we're putting things back and everything. So that's what we're kind of doing. I was like, oh, tomorrow you can just go through all your containers and organize everything, but we kind of just started doing it. Can I show you how you use that? But anywho, we're just anyway. Okay.
Annoying little creatures.
Anyway. Oh my gosh. Oh, here's your toolbox. What's in there?
P-O-K-E-M-O-N.
Oh my goodness. Seriously? Okay.
At least I have something to hold in.
Oh. Gotta like sit on it and everything. But we, like I said, are just in Jake's room hanging out. And it is 9:17, so way past bedtime. But Jake is shaking his booty. Tomorrow he's going to be in here
Sometime.
cleaning
Thank
this
you
up.
for this.
You're welcome. But we have this clean. We have this clean. The hallway is got all of the stuff out of there. All I've got to do is paint the ceiling and camo this wall, and that will come with time. But we have a full box of books that I'm going to donate to their school. Excuse the loud noises in the background. Jake, there's a marker right here. A box full that I'm going to donate to the school, and some other stuff to donate to a friend. But they follow me. Like I've got little stalkers. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video to... Oh my gosh, the top of my tree came in lit. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to fix that. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video today. But thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.